Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna eat I love mashed potatoes. Like, mashed potatoes are my favorite. I had such a good day. I shopped so much. I bought myself so much things for Black Friday, like, bitch. Like, I just love shopping. Okay, quick story time. For Black Friday, oh my gosh, something's in my eye. I went to the mall, to the biggest mall in the city. And bitch, I walked a lot to get there, and there was a big line in front. They wouldn't let you get in. That has never happened before. It's okay if there was a line in front of the stores when you go in, but they wouldn't let you in the city, in the the shopping mall. There was a huge line. I was like, bitch, I'm not gonna wait, because if you wait per person, there's only like 10-20 people can be inside, and everybody's gonna be there for at least an hour or two. I know myself, I would be like 2 hours at least. And so stupid. There was a huge line. I was like, bitch, I'm not gonna wait. And I got angry. I got mad because I was like, fuck it. Fuck Black Friday. I'm not gonna buy myself anything. I didn't buy myself anything. They wouldn't let me in the mall. I mean, I didn't want to wait because there was a huge line. I was like, bitch, I'm not gonna wait on the cold to get in the mall. And maybe I'll not find anything I like. So I was mad. I was like, I gotta spend something. I gotta use the Black Friday, because last year I didn't go anywhere for Black Friday. And today I was like, I'm not gonna miss it. And I was so mad. I was like, I gotta buy myself something for Black Friday, anything. And then I went to the makeup store and I bought so much shit, like, bitch. And then I overspent. Then I went to another store and bought so much shit, like, bitch, I have nothing in my bank account. Like, please help me out, subscribe. But you know what? It was worth it. I'm gonna do a shopping haul on that. Or maybe by the time you see this video, the shopping haul is already gonna be on my YouTube channel. This mashed potato is so good, like. I love it. I love mashed potatoes. What's your favorite meal? I just love this. Let me know what did you buy for Black Friday. I bought so much shit. I'm gonna do a shopping haul, or yeah. Also, I love when don't you just love it when people working at those stores are so nice to you? Like, literally, I was the only customer, and two girls working in a store called City Fashion. They literally were so nice, like, so nice. They helped me out. I literally was looking through the bags for an hour. I kind of tortured them because I cannot decide what I want. Like, I'm so indecisive. And I was like looking at 3 bags and I couldn't decide. I was there for an hour, and then eventually I decided, and you're gonna see that bag in my shopping haul video. Anyways, guess what else I bought, bitch? Oh my gosh, I bought this like cake. I'm so excited to try it. It was a hassle bringing this because, you know, open this. Open it. Oh, here it is. Oh, it opens like this. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the noise. If I cut myself. Guess what? There's nothing better. People say I'm lonely and shit, bitch. Then have friends. Which, this is my friend, like. Because I don't have to share with anybody. Usually people would cut this and, like, you know, share between family and shit. But I don't share. This is all for me. Thumbnail check. It's really good. You better believe I'm gonna eat this whole thing by myself. So nice. Heaven. Am I in heaven? Yes, I am. It's kind of dry. Same thing with cake. Whenever I buy a cake, I'm just gonna eat it by myself, and I never cut it. I never cut a cake. I love eating cake like this with fork. Because it's more satisfying. Nobody gonna tell me how much I'm gonna eat. And that's some binge eating disorder. But I deserve this. I literally haven't eaten like 40 hours. I deserve this. I'm not gonna give anything. Thumbnail. Oh. This is good. Okay, I cannot eat more anymore. I spilled on my pants. My pants. No. Anything. I ruined my pants. Well, they need to go to the washing room anyways. So, thank you for enjoying this mukbang with me. Let me know what you bought for Black Friday. And also, there's going to be a shopping haul, or there already is a shopping haul video on my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok at supremeking37, Instagram supremeking668, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye, bitches. Mwah.